Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to approve timesheets in Gusto. Now once your team logs their hours, it's your turn to give them a heads up, or you can send them back for edits. Now let's walk through how to review and approve employee timesheets in Gusto. Step 1. Log into your Gusto admin or manager accounts. Now start by logging in at gusto.com. From your dashboard, you want to head over to Time Tools. That's on the left hand menu, and then click Time Tracking. Step 2. Review submitted timesheets. Now here you're going to see a list of employees who have submitted hours for approval. Just click on an individual's name to open their weekly timesheet. Step 3. Check for accuracies. Now look over the start and end times, total hours, and any breaks and notes. Make sure it aligns with their schedule or what you've expected for the week. Step 4. Approve or request edits. Now if everything looks good, click approve. But if something is off, you can request changes and include a note explaining what needs to be fixed. Step 5. Approve in bulk. Now if you trust your team and like efficiency, you can select multiple employees and approve all their timesheets at once using the bulk action feature. Step 6. Confirm for payroll. Now once approved, these hours will automatically feed into the next payroll run. No extra steps required. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.